Today we're looking at this forklift truck attachment. This attachment fits on a standard forklift truck and is designed to lift and handle 50 to 220 litre steel, plastic and fibreboard drums. If you've got a forklift on site already, you can buy this attachment, use it to handle your drums and tip them into vessels or into other drums. The unique features of this unit is the adjustable band assembly. The band can be adjusted in diameter and this rim clamp can be adjusted in height to handle drums which vary in size. We'll now show you how it works and some examples. We've driven our unit forward, the band is around the drum. We then come around the front, unclip our hook here for our ratchet strap and pass it around the front of the drum and hook it in position. We now need to tension this strap around the belly of the drum. So to do this, we hold the loose end of the strap and take the ratchet in our other hand. We pull the slack through, so we've got no slack in the strap, and then we crank the handle. We don't need to be overly tight, it just needs to be snug and secure around the front. We then take our rim clamp and this grips onto the top lip of the drum. This is to prevent these plastic drums from slipping vertically within the band. We move this forward, we lift it up and over the drum, and we do up our butterfly on the top. So now drum secure with the band and secure the rim clamp, we're now ready to lift. Okay, once we're in position, secure the truck, handbrake's on. We then move forward. We have our rotation handle on this side. We can see exactly where we're pouring and we can begin to tip the drum. Once we're empty, we can return it to a vertical. Like so. We can then move the unit back and release the drum. Again, secure our forklift. To release the drum is the reverse of our securing method. So first of all, we undo our rim clamp. Lift it off and clear the drum. We then come down to our strap, where we're using this lever on the ratchet. We open this, again holding the slack end, pull it all the way around until it clicks, and then we pull it to release the slack. We can undo our strap from the other side and stow this neatly on this side, and then ready to remove the drum. We're now looking at the universal band assembly in the configuration for 220 litre Mauser drums. This is the widest configuration to suit the largest type of drums that you'd handle with this unit. For an example, we're going to show you how you would adjust this band to handle a 120 litre Mauser drum. And the drum's empty for display purposes. I'm going to lift this empty drum in place and pull it against this left side of the unit. You see on this side we have a big gap between the machine and the drum which we need to close. To do this we use our sliding carriage from the forklift and we push this inward to slide the unit closer together. We push it until this face is touching here and the same on the other side. And then again, just to show you, I'm going to remove this drum so you've got a clear sight of what I'm doing. What we need to do is we need to make this band the same contour to match that smaller drum. And to do this, we use these different holes in the band here. So the band is joined together in the centre, and what we need to do is disconnect it and reconnect it in these holes, and each hole is set for a smaller drum diameter. So we can go all the way down to 50 litres with this drum unit. First of all, I'm going to take out the pins that hold the band together. So we've got 2 R-clips. I'm going to hold with each hand each half of the band section. So hold them both together and pull them apart. The band's now separated. I now bring them together in the next hole position. So we've now shortened the length of this band overall, and we reconnect our pins. So by doing that, we've made this band length shorter and smaller and better suited to the drum we're handling. So I'll bring the drum back into shot. Band looks good, the spacing at the back looks good. The next thing I want to do is adjust this rim clamp. We need to bring this down because this lip here needs to sit under this lip of the drum. To do this, remove the R-clip and remove the pin. Lower this down to a correct height. Doesn't need to be exact, but just roughly in the correct area. Put the pin through and refit our R-clip. So we're now at the correct height there. And then the order for securing this drum would be to connect the ratchet first. So I'm going to connect the ratchet at the front of the unit and tighten it up. Like so. Bearing in mind this drum's empty. And then bringing our rim clamp up over the top there, and then we clamp it down in position. So we've now set this for this 120 litre Mauser drum, and we'd be ready to handle this. And like I said, if we wanted to go smaller, we just follow the same process, and we go all the way down to 50 litre drums.